Hello everybody, welcome back. What a crazy day in the stock market. And if you're wondering, yes, of course, I got involved in GameStop today. I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but I'm optimistic. I'm not recommending it to anybody, but if you want to follow what I'm doing, stake maybe 10%. That's what I'm staking. I put it into GameStop and AMC, so I'll show you my moves over the last couple of days, and then we can chat about some of the stuff that happened today. Robinhood, what the hell, man? Not cool at all. Anyway, Euro Bros, I suppose, were able to help out for the day. Anyway, so I originally planned on just buying another share of Square and I think a few more American Airlines, I think was the goal. But recently, after buying my Square share, I was reading up on Wall Street Bets. Obviously, it was in the news. I kind of got involved with AMC yesterday, but I only actually bought GameStop shares today. I kind of predicted what was going to happen. Just had an inclination, that GameStop was gonna plummet today. But yeah, the greed got to me. Anyway, so what else did I do? I bought more Palantir with the money I topped up my account with. Then I thought I'd get involved with AMC yesterday, so I sold my two McDonald's shares, put it all into AMC. Yeah, I'm down a good bit. I'm down nearly like 40% on what I did. So if you want to join me, yeah, but it's a risk. It's a serious risk doing what I'm doing. Ended up also then later on today actually I sold my two square shares, put it all into GameStop, put the change into AMC, got another two shares practically, and yeah, I paid 403 for a share of GameStop. It within an hour or two, it was worth I think less than half of that. So that was how the day started to go, but paper hands never win, so I decided to stick this out until next week. I did actually end up, I had maybe €150 just sitting in my Revolut account. Kind of needed it probably for food and stuff for the next week or two, but I decided to just throw it into the stock market for now. Bought another share of GameStop for nearly the same price, so it was grand. So I am kind of optimistic that it's going to skyrocket, but I want to talk about what's going on to people who don't know, and yeah, I'm going to try my best to break it all down for everybody now. So Wall Street Bets are a massive investing community. They're on Reddit. You can see what everyone on the forums posting and commenting and their thoughts. They have gained massive attention due to this. So basically, there's massive hedge funds putting shorts on companies like GameStop and hoping that the stock value will go down. But the community is so big on Wall Street Bets that the volume of money that can reject the short can implode the stock. Actually just want to give a shout out to a guy who's on this forum called DFV. It's three letters that are short for something else. I can't really say it here. I'm trying to be friendly for everybody on this channel. But he had turned something like $55,000 into millions, literally millions, just buying GameStop at such a cheap price. And then the momentum that's on this Reddit forum that's spreading worldwide is just really boosting the stock. Right now, as I'm making this video, it's sitting at 263 a share. That is a little bit more than what it closed out at. I think it closed just under $200 a share, just at the end of the market. So after hours trading has actually improved the share. Now, basically, apparently what has to happen is all these companies like Citadel that are paying shorts on this will have to actually clear their shorts, which inevitably will skyrocket the price of the share if everybody's correct. You can find many sentiments like this on the Wall Street Bets forum, and basically they're saying that it's going to take a couple of days for these companies to clear their shorts. So although we didn't see a big spike today, we might not even see a massive spike in the share value tomorrow. It'll be into next week if they're going to follow this days to cover, way of paying their shorts. I don't know if this is 100% true, but I'm kind of optimistic with it, and I really hope it's true. I'm hoping it's going to hit 1,000 a share. Obviously with Reddit you're always dealing with people with a sense of humor and poking fun and making jokes out of everything. So if you're willing to be able to maybe take a little offense to what they're saying, or sorry, not take a little offense to it, and just not be offended by Reddit. A lot of people don't use Reddit, but as soon as you do, you start seeing that it's full of kind of vulgar language and everything. I'm not against that now, don't get me wrong. I think Reddit's amazing that it's kind of free speech for everybody to say what they really think. But yeah, just so you know, In case you think it's all PC there. Anyway, a couple of news articles on this trading forum called Robinhood. So they actually suspended trading due to what was going on with GameStop. A lot of people are speculating it was Wall Street themselves because they're probably hemorrhaging billions at the minute. They were pushing Robinhood to reject trading. I think they were allowing sale of the shares, but not buying of the shares. So definitely manipulation of the markets. Obviously, this caused a lot of ill feeling in practically a lot of everyone globally. Even people like AOC, Ted Cruz, Elon Musk, Donald Trump Jr., they're all weighing in on this and saying what a joke it is that manipulation is happening because common people like me and you and retail investors are just trying to make some money the same way they make money. They make money off shorting companies, hoping they go bankrupt. We're just funding a company that a lot of people like. It's not really as immoral as what they're doing. I mean, they're hoping companies basically go bankrupt. All we're doing is funding one company on a mass scale, buying their shares, not betting on them to go out of business. Anyway, that kind of sentiment throughout the investing community has also backed another company that's always shorted recently, AMC. Here's the chart of the day. Obviously, it's way down, but it did have a couple of 100% over the last couple of weeks. A lot of people are talking this is the next GameStop. This is going to skyrocket like GameStop did the last while. Anyway, people were saying that some of these hedge funds actually get money off this trading forum, Robinhood, and that's why it was so manipulated with that forum. But I think a lot of trading platforms were preventing buying of GameStop shares and possibly AMC as well. Could have been a safety thing. Maybe they actually didn't want people to lose all their money, but thinking the 1% are angry over this, you'd have to kind of wonder is that really true, or were they just looking after their overlords in Wall Street rather than protecting their real investor customers? So yeah, anyway, quick little sneak peek at the profit and loss for the week. I'll do a proper weekly gains or losses video tomorrow. It looks like it's going to be a loss week unless GameStop and AMC miraculously fly up tomorrow. So yeah, that's been it, guys. If you have any questions on what I'm talking about in this video, leave a comment below. I can do a follow-up video next week. I'm planning on keeping GameStop and AMC into next week unless there's something absolutely destructive tomorrow. More destructive than today. So peace out, y'all.